Hi, I'm Rajat Vanjali. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I had done my BE Mechanical Engineering from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar College of Engineering and Research, Nagpur. After that, I looked for a job in IT company, but it is difficult to get a job in a IT company as a fresher. Then I heard about Evision Technoserve Private Limited. It is an IT recruiter and consultancy. after after I decided to join their internship. In that internship, I learned about various technology. There were different trainer for a different module. We learn about window administration. In that, we learn about various window administrative tool, window server, domain, workbone. In CCNA, we learn about switching and routing protocol. And in Linux administration, we learn about basic commands of Linux. After every week, there was a mock interview and PPT presentation, which help us to build and confident. They, they, the trainers are best in a business. They teach us very good theory and practical as well. This gives us very confident now to give a real-time interview as well. And I am very confident that I will be very good in a real-time interview, and I have the skill to troubleshoot any problem like BSOD, black screen error, printer issue, and driver issue, etc. This training gives us a confidence that are very helpful, and I will be very thankful for Revision to give me this type of training. And I will assure you, I will give 100% to my company, and I will be given 100% to achieve my goal as well. Thank you, Vision, for your help, and thank you for everything.